Before we begin our sprint, we must assign estimates to our user stories. So for example, the first user story, if I click on it, you will find here the epic link, the assignee, then the ID, the priority, and then there is a dash here. What is this dash? If we click on it or hover here, the story points. What are story points? Let's search story points. Okay, images. So story points, like you see, he made me go to something which is called planning poker. The planning poker, or the number which comes from it, which is the story point, is the estimated effort inside this user story. How much effort do I think this user story will take? So the least user story is 1, and then we go up using the Fibonacci sequence. Okay, so Fibonacci sequence. This is the standard that we use. Okay, 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 plus 5 equals 13. 8 plus 13 equals 21, but we should stop at 20. So any user story should have a value from 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 20. This is our estimate. So I will say that the login user story will take a small effort. We go here and give a story point of 3. But the second user story, the search, will give like 5. The registration will need more effort. Like we said, in Scrum, the whole team is merged together. So this estimate is created by the tester, the developer, and the product owner together. So it is a number that represents testing, development, and analysis at the same time. Here, the third one, 13, and the last one is, for example, let's give it 20, okay? We also can give time to the user story. So like this user story, time tracking, no time logged. We can say the time I worked for 1 hour, okay, on this user story, and the time remaining is 2 days, D for days. Let's save. Like you see, 1 hour from 2 days. So if I add, for example, 8 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours plus 1 hour is 9 hours, right? But here he writes 1 day and 1 hour. Why? Because in Agile, it follows the standard 8 hours working day. This is a principle from extreme programming. Each day consists of 8 hours only. So 9 hours of work means 1 day, which is 8 hours plus 1 hour. So here, this is 1 day and 1 hour. If I want to finish my work, which is 2 days, we can say 8 hours again. Okay, 8 hours, like you see, or 7 hours, like you see, we finished 2 days of work. Okay, so this is another way to estimate based on time. Of course, we as a team can comment on this user story. I can say, for example, the acceptance criteria is not clear, okay? And I can tag Tariq, the admin, or any person. Save. So me, when I go to the home page, to the dashboard, okay, I can find this notification. You will find here the activity stream, okay? I will find that a person commented on this user story and he tagged me in it. So this is the way that we manage our work. The next step is to begin to create a sprint and begin working on it.